With only 3 ingredients in your kitchen, 3 spices in your kitchen, you can actually grow your hair, stimulate your hair follicle, promote healthy, thicker and longer hair. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Our first ingredient for today's recipe is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair fall, nourishes the scalp, prevents hair loss. The nicotinic acid in fenugreek stimulates the hair follicle, promoting healthier, thicker and longer hair. Protein and lecithin in fenugreek strengthens hair follicle from the roots, providing a strong foundation for hair growth. Fenugreek contains vitamins and minerals including iron and potassium that deeply nourish the scalp, create a healthier environment for hair to grow. Our second ingredient is star anise. Star anise contains compounds like anethole that may stimulate the scalp, improve blood circulation and encourage faster hair growth. Its oxidant and mineral content help nourish hair follicle and reduce breakage, making hair stronger and healthier. Star anise has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help fight scalp infection, dandruff and build-up. So our third, which is the last ingredient for this recipe, is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon nourish the hair shaft and scalp, improving hair elasticity and reduce breakage. Because it boosts circulation and strengthens follicle, it may help reduce thinning and increase hair volume over time. So in a pot, I've already measured 1 cup of water into it. Then measure 1 tablespoon of our fenugreek, 1 stick of cinnamon stick, then 3 pentals of star anise and boil it. So the reason why I boil this is because of the cinnamon stick. You can actually soak and infuse this for about 24 hours, but I boiled mine. So after 20 minutes of boiling this, the nutrients has already infused into the water. As you can see, the water has already changed. The fenugreek, star anise and the cinnamon, the nutrients have already infused into the water. So after boiling for 20 minutes, I allow it to cool down completely before straining it out. Yes, we are going to strain this out because we only need the spray, the hair tea. So after straining it out, then I transfer it into my spray bottle. Transferring it into a spray bottle will make it easier for you to apply on your hair. So if you can add in your essential oil, either tea tree oil or peppermint oil, but it is also optional. So after transferring it into my spray bottle, then you can keep this inside your refrigerator for about 5 days. After 5 days, discard and make a new one. So I just want to moisturize my hair, so I will be using this spray as to hydrate my hair before moisturize my hair. This is a leave-in spray which you spray on your head, then follow with your moisturizing routine. You can as well as use this spray as a rinse out, but I prefer to use mine as a leave-in, which I will spray on my head and massage it thoroughly. Be consistently about this. So after 5 days of making this, discard it, then make a fresh batch of it. And also be consistently about it. Please don't forget your scalp. Make sure you spray this on a clean scalp. And also apply your leave-in conditioner and sealing with your moisture. So make sure you moisturize your hair and don't leave this like this. This will dry out your hair and it will cause breakage. So make sure you seal in the moisture. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video very helpful and useful, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and share to your lovely ones, family, love. See you guys in my next video. Bye.